I've never done strongholds before, so.
So I'm a scout in this case?
I am.
Medium. Yep, no, mediums and scouts I'll always pair together.
Okay.
I'll never put one tank by itself.
Can you ping the map again? Do you mind? For work?
Follow me, Val.
Okay.
There's a rock up there I want you guys behind.
Okay. Okay, I'll grab the other side of that rock.
Roger that.
If they flank around and get on cap, I want you guys to get up by the church there
And reset. Yeah.
Roger that.
Alright, Van, let's go slow here. T-150. Alright, he's tracked. Load gold if you got it.
We didn't penetrate their armor.
Alright, put gold in his turret.
Penetration.
Alright.
Good shot.
Let's move out. Hug the left side here. Scouts, hold up. You hold that position.
Okay.
You guys are a reset, so I can't get you too far away from cap. If they get 3 on, we'll be in trouble. Yep, go back to our cap.
Alright, coming back.
Heavies, keep pushing. Don't stop. Keep going. Get right on cap.
They got 3 on.
Yep.
Okay, reset.
Keep resetting.
Affirmative.
Switch your targets up so that way you get a clean
Fuck. Load HE if you can.
Yeah, Val, keep shooting HE at him. And the rock fans.
Guys, I'm screwed here.
Yeah.
Just reset them. Doesn't matter if
Just,
you die.
you gotta reset, dude.
Fuck.
Go there.
Okay.
Game over.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. My bad.
Yeah, lovely.